Here now are the answers to the exercises about zero and negative exponents. For our first problem, we have here a raised to negative 5. Our answer is positive 1 all over a raised to positive 5. The rule for negative exponent: any base with a negative exponent, if it is on the numerator, it will be transferred to the denominator, and then the negative exponent will become a positive exponent. Number 2, x raised to 0. Our answer is positive 1. Any term or any quantity raised to 0, the answer is 1. Number 3, we have x raised to 0, y raised to negative 2, and z raised to positive 5. Since z has a positive exponent, it will be retained on the numerator, and then x raised to 0, this is equal to 1, and y raised to negative 2, from the numerator, this will now become the denominator, and the negative exponent will become positive exponent. Our final answer, we have z raised to positive 5 all over y raised to positive 2. For number 4, we have a raised to negative 2 all over b raised to negative 3. So the a and b here will just interchange position with their exponents becoming positive. A will be on the denominator now, and negative 2 will become positive 2. B will be on the numerator, and negative 3 will become positive 3. Number 5. The quantity of x plus y raised to negative 3 all over the quantity of x minus y raised to 0. The quantity of x minus 1, since it is raised to 0, this will always be equal to 1. So we have here 1 on the denominator. And then the quantity of x plus y raised to negative 3, since the exponent here is negative, from the numerator this will now go down to the denominator. So we have here the quantity x plus y, but the negative exponent will become a positive exponent. Our final answer for number 5, 1 all over the quantity of x plus y raised to positive 3. And for number 6, we have positive 150 multiplied by x raised to 0. X raised to 0, that is equal to 1. And 150 multiplied by positive 1, that is equal to positive 150. Number 7, we have x raised to negative 2 multiplied by the quantity of positive y times z, and the quantity is raised to 0. Okay, so since this quantity is raised to 0, this will be equal to 1. So we have here 1 on the numerator, and since this is negative, from the numerator it will go down to the denominator, and the exponent from negative, it will become positive. So we have here 1 over x raised to positive 2. And for number 8, we have the quantity x raised to 5, y raised to positive 4, z raised to positive 3, all over a raised to negative 2, b raised to negative 3, and c raised to negative 4. But the whole quantity here is raised to 0. Since the whole quantity is raised to 0, that means that the answer for number 8 is positive 1.